All right, what's going on, Diamond Hand family? It's Sunday after church service, and I want to see if I won the big payday for Rex Big Payday today. Hoping everyone is doing well and relaxing today and collecting those passive income gains. Quote of the week: never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Babe Ruth. So hope all you Redskins are doing your thing out there in DeFi land. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Head's hitting you with this Rex update. Links in the description. I'm about to go ahead and click on this and see if I won the big payday. Going once, going twice. Sold. Let's see what happens. Ah, man, I thought I won the big payday. Man, it's been a while. It's been like a week and a half, man. I need to win this thing. Anyway, so that's all I want y'all to see. I'm good. Have a nice day. Peace.